In this video, we will show how to find and use the Dayton Memorial Library Research Course Guides for World Religious Traditions Part A and Part B. This is the library's homepage, found at libguide.regis.edu/library. To find the research guides, hover your cursor over the word Research at the top of the page. From here, select Research Guides. This page holds the research guides made by Regis's librarians to help students get started with research in any discipline. Move down the list until you find the Religious Studies heading and select it. Once selected, all of the Religious Studies guides will appear. There are several different guides available under the Religious Studies heading. There are 2 different guides available for students in the RC 220 classes, one for those enrolled in the A course, and one guide for those in the B course. Today we will be working with the research guide for RC 220 Part B, though the guide and how to use them are similar for both classes. The RC 220 Part B research guide has several components. To the left of the screen, there are drop-down menus full of links that pertain to the content covered in each week of the class. These are links to online encyclopedia articles that provide a high-level overview of each religion or topic. It is good to note that the encyclopedia entries listed here are not considered scholarly sources, though they can help you identify ideas and concepts of interest. Read through the different entries and take note of what is interesting. These will become keywords to find academic sources appropriate for a research paper. For example, under Week 2's heading, select the Judaism entry from the Columbia Encyclopedia. This brings up an encyclopedia entry that provides an overview of Judaism. Reading through it, take note of any interesting concepts to explore further. To the left at the top of the page, there are also suggested related searches that have a relationship to the Judaism Encyclopedia entry that can also provide topic ideas. After reading through this entry, you decide that Kabbalah seems interesting as a research topic. Going back to the RC 220B research guide, there is a Lumen Plus search box, similar to the search box on the homepage of the library. To the right, there is another box that has links to the religious studies specific databases. Using the keyword Kabbalah to search in the subject-specific databases will return fewer results, but will pull up articles that are more religious studies discipline focused. Using the keyword Kabbalah to search in Lumen Plus will search most of the library's holdings, which can be a good place to start as Lumen Plus will return a large number of results. Use these research guides to further your success in World Religious Traditions Part A and Part B. If you need more help with anything regarding your research process, ask a librarian at Dayton Memorial Library. We are available by chat, in-person drop-ins, one-on-one appointments, phone, and email.